or offering our deep, heartfelt gratitude at the feet of Nityandeshwara and Nityandeshwari. So, today we are inviting Srinitya Shivashankarananda Maharaj onto the stage for demonstrating the power of Namaskar. So, Shivashankara Maharaj is a Balasant in Nityananda Gurukul for past 5 years. He is from Malaysia and he is one of the most powerful Balasants who starts manifesting the powers of Mahasadashiva immediately after the initiation. He has done more than thousands of Akashic reading sessions all over the world and thousands of demonstration of various powers all over the world in many countries such as USA, Singapore and Malaysia. In one such powerful event, is when during the Akashic reading, through the presence of Kala Bhairava through him, in Malaysia, Vibhuti was materialized during the Akashic reading session. So here we have Srinitya Shivashankarananda Maharaj along with us in the stage for demonstrating the power of remote vision, scanning the house of the volunteers.
So we call upon stage one volunteer. You can introduce yourself.
Nityanandam everyone, I am Mladen and I'm coming from Germany, although I'm born in Serbia. And I'm 30 years old and I'm a Reiki healer, but today I would like to experience remote vision, so I'm lucky. And I never before met Balasans here, so it will be interesting.
Okay, so you have given a confirmation that you have never met Shivashankara Maharaj before, and you can show the pad and the paper in the camera. So there's nothing actually written in it. Okay, you can stand there, yeah. So just a brief introduction about the Shakti that we are going to be demonstrating today. Today, as being part of the remote vision, we will be demonstrating the power where we are going to be able to tell the number of items, number of things, particularly in each house. So I request you can start writing. We'll have 3 questions which will be given, and you will be writing the question and the answer for those 3 questions, and Shivashankara Maharaj will be scanning through the third eye and he will be revealing the answers for it. So you can start off by writing the number of bedrooms in your house, so as you see, Shivashankara Maharaj is today going to be using a banyan tree leaf, the Kalpavriksha that we have got here in the Nityananda Peetham, Bengaluru Adinam. Shivashankara Maharaj is going to be using the banyan tree leaf, which is the direct embodiment of Sadashiva himself, the physical extension of Swamiji, the physical extension of Mahasadashiva. So it is literally manifest as seeing through the third eye of Swamiji. So when we apply the Jnananjana, which is the liquid form of Sadashiva, the whole leaf becomes as a clear third eye, and whatever is asked will be seen through the third eye of Sadashiva through the banyan tree leaf. So as you can see, Shivashankara Maharaj is now applying the Jnananjana on the banyan tree leaf, and he is going to be using the banyan tree leaf to scan the house and the details that our volunteer is going to be writing. You can write, so once you're done with the first question, second you can write the number of ceiling fans that you've got in your home. So as you see, none before has been like this, where we have already read it or we have had a conversation with him. No, it is a direct on stage where he is writing the number of ceiling fans or the details that I am asking in the question, and Shivashankara Maharaj is going to be exactly reading it out, seeing through his third eye as revealed by Swamiji. You can write the number of floors in your house. You can write, like if you've got an independent house, you can write it as a ground floor, or if you like have a ground floor and one on top, you can write like ground plus 1. So it will be G plus 1. So you can write it down, the number of floors in your house. So Shiva Shankara Maharaj, you can start scanning, and before we start the Shakti Avishkarna and Shiva Shankara Maharaj reveals the answers, we will go through, we will know the Shastra Pramana, the direct words of Sadashiva. It is given in the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 63 and Dharana 40. Sarvam deham chinmayam hi Jagadva paribhavayet Yugapannirvikalpena Manasa paramodhayah.
So the translation of this sutra is, one should consciously cognize, keeping the mind beyond the movement of thoughts, free from any doubts or root cognitions. Nirvikalpena manaha. That the whole body and even the whole universe indeed are simultaneously of the essence and nature of consciousness, in the infinite space of oneness, Chinmayam. Then the supreme awakening happens, where one manifests the cosmic body.
So Shiva Shankara Maharaj, you can connect with Swamiji and you can start. Once you're ready, you can reveal the answers one by one.
So, Nityananda Gurukul is a traditional educational institution where kids from the age of 7 to 21 are taught both spiritual, religious and contemporary education as defined by Mahasadashiva and the Agamas, and as revived by His Divine Holiness Guru Mahasannidhanam Paramahamsa Nityananda. So, if you see, Nityananda Gurukul is Swamiji's most passionate and favorite projects, where he himself comes and personally spends time and gives love to the kids and nurtures the kids from the very start and grooming them to be the leaders of tomorrow, giving super conscious breakthrough to the kids and creating a new species in the planet Earth.
And it is not just restricted to just leaders as we understand, as some great doctors or some great engineers, some great professors, whatever you think in your general field. But it is literally embodying himself, making each one of us manifest Mahasadashiva through us, and the same superconscious breakthrough that Swamiji is giving each and every one of us, literally reproducing himself in us, and we also are going to be leaders who give superconscious breakthrough to the whole humanity.
So, if you see, Swamiji himself will come and nurture and groom each and every kid, making them manifest the powers and powerful cognitions of Mahasadashiva, making them literally one more body to which Mahasadashiva expresses and gives a superconscious breakthrough to the whole planet Earth, creating new species in the planet Earth, and each and every kid is groomed as his own prince and princesses, where he himself teaches every single thing and gives a breakthrough to them. So, out of his sheer compassion and as per the Agamas, Mahasadashiva says, education should be given free of cost. So, following that and out of his own sheer compassion and intense compassion and love to the humanity, Swamiji has given the whole Nityananda Gurukul free of cost for the whole world, so that they can also come and experience this super conscious breakthrough and creating a new species in this planet Earth.
Shiva Shankara Maharaj, you ready? Yes, you can reveal the answers. So the first question is the number of bedrooms.
As Swamiji revealed in this banner leaf, the number of bedrooms is 2 bedrooms in your house.
Okay. The
And the next question is the number of ceiling fans. As Swamiji revealed, most of the time you have not been using ceiling fans, but the number 3 appeared.
Okay. And the last question, the number of floors in his house.
The number of floors in his house, 1 floor.
Okay. So now you can describe the answers and you can show what you've written in the camera.
Well, the number of rooms is right, and the actually he was more right than I wrote 4, but actually there is many ceiling lights. That's why I was confused as well. But Swamiji was actually right, and the number of floor is like 1 floor, but I'm living at 4th floor, so that was a bit confusing. I didn't write the answers right. I mean, I'm living at the 4th floor, but I have just 1 floor, which is right. So thank you a lot.
Swamiji is showing me you are living in the 4th floor, but you are owning only 1 floor. So there's
That's
only 1
right.
floor.
That's right.
So as you can see, Shiva Shankara Maharaj has exactly revealed the answers, and even when the volunteer, as he have just described, so even the third eye is so powerful that even when the volunteers or somebody, even if they have a doubt, when Swamiji reveals it, it is the perfect answer. And it's not only a scanning that happens, but the healing happens in that place where Swamiji's presence will be directly felt in each and every place that he has scanned. So with this, we thank Swamiji and Nityanandeshwara Mahasadashiva Parashiva for giving us this beautiful opportunity to manifest these Shaktis on this occasion. Thank you, Nityanandam.
देवदेवोत्तमं देवता सार्वभौमं अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायकं श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेतं श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर महासदाशिव परशिवं अष्टपुष्पैरभ्यर्च्य